What is up, everybody? We're live right here with Hayes Knows the Ways and Real Estate Nate. How you doing, Hayes?
Man, I'm doing well. Thank you, brother.
Another reason why we're talking about where he's at is because we're on the batch leads call right now, right?
Yeah,
This is the
yeah.
call we do every week. We show people how to use batch leads, how it helps us in our business. And my man is in a hospital and he's still willing to do the calls. I mean, that's freaking dedication, brother. That's
Just out
amazing.
here hanging out. So, I mean, you can get it done anywhere, any type of way, ladies and gentlemen. So, don't
Isn't
let
that the
your
truth, man?
circumstances define you.
So you're telling me you're doing deals and you're using batch leads from a hospital room? I mean, you can do it anywhere.
You can do it anywhere. I mean, as long as your mind's right, which occasionally sometimes it hasn't been right this week, but as long as you're crystal here, and you got the great data. Sorry, I don't have my batch leads hat today, but
Yeah,
when you
you're
got
good,
good
man.
data, you can still find the deals from your bottom in a hospital bed. So
I love it, man. Well, prayers, like I said, go out to you. And what we're going to do today, guys, is we're going to go over how to present a creative finance offer. Again, this call is sponsored by Batch Lead. So if you don't have it, give it a shot. 7-day free trial in the description. Another thing, guys, is I want to show you guys this. If you have batch leads or you thought about getting batch leads, but you maybe you tried it and you didn't know how to use it. Today, we're doing right after this, we're doing a batch leads masterclass. So we can show you exactly how to use batch leads to text, call, and do all
amazing.
that. So I'll give you guys the link right here. It's on my Facebook group. It's pretty much everywhere on my social media. All you have to do is register, and you'll get a link for the Batch Leads Masterclass. It's in about 30 minutes, but we wanted to jump on here and do this Batch Leads call really quick. So I'm going to throw it in here in the description, in the comment box. If you guys are watching this live, register, please, because like I said, we're going to show you exactly how to use Batch to make money. To get deals, find motivated sellers. Because I run a lot of polls, Sean, and a lot of the polls that most wholesalers are facing, most investors, is they don't know how to find leads, right? They don't know how to find good deals. So Batch is basically a software that lets you poll lists and reach out to those people. So thank you, Batch. Guys, if you don't know how to make offers to sellers and you struggle knowing like the right way to do it, that's why I wanted to kind of do on this call. Usually we comp properties and show you how to use batch, but this one I'm going to show you how to execute making an offer. Okay. And I was going to use Sean as we role play. Earlier this day, I'm in communication with a seller right now about their 8-plex that we're interested in buying. I'm interested in buying. And I made an offer earlier. I didn't record it, and I didn't really use, I guess I didn't record it so I could show you guys. So I'm basically going to show you guys how I made the offer, what paperwork I use, what you guys need to do to make a seller financing offer subject to all this creative financing stuff. So I'm going to give you everything you need. So first off, guys, you need a letter of intent. Okay. You don't always want to write up your offer in a contract and send it over because they might not accept it and it might be waste your time to all up. You need to present multiple options to sellers sometimes and then present it in a letter of intent, which you guys can find this letter of intent on my Facebook group, Wholesaling Real Estate Mastermind. If you type it in, if you just go to files, here's the letter of intent template that I use. You guys can go grab it for absolutely free. I'm just giving it out so you guys can, make offers the right way, present offers to look credible and look legit. So the first thing you need is the letter of intent. Okay. Now, I took this information. I knew I was going to offer. I crunched the numbers in my calculator to see what it was going to cash flow after I raised the rents. And I ran the numbers on, how much they would make if they took my financing offer. So next thing you need on top of letter and intent, guys, is a calculator, a way to break down the numbers. So this is a calculator we've exclusively built. We've added from other calculators and other people we've used, and we've made our own, made some stuff in here. So you got the wholesale. That's going to teach you like how to run the numbers, hard money. When a flipper flips it, you to calculate everything for a wholesale deal, a flip evaluation. If you want to burr it, if you want to keep it and burr it, novation, retail buyer program, whatever you want to call it. Shout out to Corey. But next thing is amortization. So you basically need to know, you need an amortization schedule so you can know what they would make, on interest if they finance you, so you can make your offer more appealing. And I did a a video yesterday of how to actually run through the numbers, but today is going to be on how to present the offer. That's what I kind of want to do today, Sean, is just, I've already made the offer. I
Yeah,
want
I
to
heard you. I heard you. I heard you.
talk to people step by step on what they need to do to make a legit offer. Because
Absolutely.
number one, do you think it's a smart idea, anyone watching or you, Sean, just to send the letter of intent and just hope they understand the terms and, you know, the offer you're making? Do you think that's a smart idea?
Um, no, why? That's a terrible idea. Just
Uh,
missing out on a lot of opportunity to build the rapport, make sure that there's clarity, and really understand that hey, this is a legitimate offer with legitimate potential for you to make more money.
yeah. And what are the things that can happen bad if you just send an offer without being able to explain it, or you don't even like verify that they got it?
That one right there. That did they get it? Did they see it? Did of course do they understand it? And again, like those are the top two.
Yeah, yeah, for sure. Yeah, did they get it? Did they understand it? That's pretty much it. I mean, you also don't want them to get it, and then if they're talking to multiple investors, just use yours as ammo. You want to explain it, verify that you're in the running.
Right.
You want to make sure they understand. So, Sean, let's do a freaking role play. You ready, brother?
Yes, sir.
All right. So here it goes. Step one: make the letter of intent, run the numbers, and call the seller. Bring, bring, bring.
This is Sean.
Sean, how you doing? It's Nathan.
Hey, what can I help you with?
Hey, you know how we've been talking about your Aplex back and forth. Do you have a couple minutes
Oh,
I can go over my offer with you?
yeah, absolutely.
And I could have just emailed it to you and hope you understood it, but I wanted to kind of run through the offers because it's just not just one offer. I had a couple different options for you, so I wanted to call and run them through with you. Do you have about 5 or 10 minutes? We can do that right now.
Yeah, actually, that'd be perfect.
Cool, cool. Are you by your computer or your phone by chance where you can pull up an email?
Actually, yes, I am. I have a. Let me pull it up right now.
Okay, great. So what I'm going to do right now is, pull up your email. I'm going to send this off to you. So, first off, I just want to let you know that, I presented the first option as a cash offer. We've already discussed it. And you told me, you're probably not sure if you're feeling 100% comfortable or confident taking that offer. So I want to let you know if we do decide to go with one of the options on seller financing, that we are going to take over all the taxes, insurance, repairs, and utilities. So you don't have to worry about any of that. Okay. Here's some options. All right. Option one is, the purchase price of 1.1 for the Aplex. And we talked about it before. It's not a bad offer, but you're hoping maybe you could get a little bit more. So that's why I'm presenting different options to you. So
Okay.
option two, I know it's not a ton more money than the 1.1 up front. The purchase price that we're offering on option two is just about $25,000 more. But we're willing to pay 4% interest. So you're going to make some interest over 12 months. It's a 12-month period. So your monthly payments are going to be about 4,000, almost 5,000 a month. And then over the year, you're going to make about 60. And then once we pay you out in 12 months, that's going to be your payoff. As you're looking at it, you're following along, right? On option two.
So, sort of. I'm looking at it.
So the cool
Okay.
thing about this is, when I make you my purchase price offer, you're probably thinking I'm only getting $25,000, right? More than
Mm-hmm.
the cash offer. But you're actually, because you're willing to finance us and just wait a year to get paid out. I mean, you're still getting money down. So we got some skin in the game, and you're making $66,000 more. That's just for 12 months, right? And the way this works, Sean, is the more time you give us, the more money we can pay, right? Because we're able to cash flow a little bit more. We're hoping interest rates probably go lower, and property values go up. Option three is, of course, you give us more time, instead of 12 months, we go 3 years, same interest rate, down
I don't
payment
know.
10%.
It's a
Yeah,
long time.
it is a long time, but look how much extra you make. I mean, in 3 years, instead of making 66 in 12 months, in 36 months, 3 years, you make almost $200,000 more in interest by financing us, right? So your total
Wow.
that you're getting is, for the duplex, the Aplex, instead of 1.1, for a cash offer, you're getting close to 1.3, right? Option four, the last one, which is best for us, and hopefully it's best for you. We're willing to pay 1.25 for the property. I'll increase the down from 10% to 15%, and I'll increase the interest by a quarter of a point, a quarter percent, or whatever you call that,
Wow.
uh,
Wow.
for 60 months. And I know that's a long time, and you're wanting
Oof.
shorter term, but if you give us this, you're going to make close to $400,000 extra on top than if you would have accepted the cash offer. And on top of that, you're getting close to 1.5 for the place instead of 1.1 for cash. The thing is, I mean, it's common sense. Give us more time, we're pay more interest, you make more money, and we're willing to put down more. We're willing to do more and give you more because the longer is better for us too. So we're trying to create a win-win situation, and I feel like the options that have been presented like allow you to get more money like you've been wanting. All right, man. So that was it. That's how we make offers. You present an offer, you explain what you're doing, you kind of try to go over deal killers, and you go from there. But I gotta hop off, man. I got the Batch Leads Masterclass. Are you gonna be on there too, Sean? Like, might as well just be in the crowd or whatever.
Yeah, let's go.
All right, brother.
See you guys.
Hey, Batch Leads call. I hope this helped you guys out to learn how to present offers, especially seller finance terms offers. And yeah, Batch Leads all the way. Let's go.